Hi everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the design thinking based lecture video series, the title of 3D printer. Okay. Why we did design thinking? So many manufacturing process you already studied, machining, boundary, then sheet metal, fastening, joining. These are all the some of the manufacturing process. So this is different from the other processes. Okay. Why we need 3D printer? So today we are going to manufacture critical components and human organs, medical equipments. These are all very accuracy maintained. So the type of products are manufactured in the manufacturing process. One of the things. So what is this? CD. That which manufacturing process under this 3D printing. So what is additive manufacturing means? Yeah, raw material is converted into the same part by using this machine layer to layer. Okay. So each layer contains one element. So the layers are continuously built by this product. So what is this? Feeding motor. This is the raw material feeding motor. The raw material is where coil pipes, the wire type. So what is the material of your product which is necessary? Volumes. Okay, mostly the volume materials are used for manufacturing this. So why this? These three angles spindle. Okay. The spindle contains sheet. Okay, the solid wire is converted into link in this area. You see. So this spindle moves up, down, and all axes. X, Y, Z. So what is this? This is the table, what table? Which the part we want to make here printed, that part will be located in the table. So the part three-dimensional drawing is converted into a part. So three-dimensional drawing is converted this missing format. Which format is this? STL format. Okay. So the STL format is converted into three software. We are feeding only three-dimensional drawings. That drawing is converted into STL format. The STL format only works in this three-dimensional 3D printers. Okay. So this is the construction, and sometimes the part may need the supports. If the part height is more than 150 mm or 200 mm, that part need some support. So we are using some support materials and supporting while building. So these are all some products made in this 3D printer. The small size, okay, for noise, engine. So all the buildings are only products. So what are the products made manufacturing in this machine? Human organs, medical equipments. So accuracy parts, okay. Precision parts are made in this 3D printer. So we need a computer or laptop must for these operations. Computer or laptop system, we feed the three-dimensional drawing. The drawing will be converted into SDF format. Then SDF format is converted into the movement of spindle and tail. So the axis is three axes. X, Y, Z. Z is. So the time is 360. So mostly nowadays we are using this for manufacturing small houses, rooms, everything. Manufactured by 3D printers. In foreign countries, they are ordered the if I need a 10 into 10 room, okay, So I ordered the 3D printer and go to the content printer. So I hope understand what is 3D printer and what type of manufacturing process and what are the materials used and which type of parts are manufacturing is this 3D printer and what is the application